everyone, myself Lipika, and today we are gonna create an app that we can know the list of humans in place, and we can also know the info. So it's a real-time app, guys, which is connected through API and JSON. So this is called Space Data Class, and we can call it a Space Data Class Part 1. And in the next class, we'll create a weather app which also tells us about the API and JSON. So let's get started. So guys, here what we have to do is that the first main thing, just open your MidApp Inventor. For example, I open my MidApp Inventor. And if you have an account, just log in. And now click on New Projects, guys. Now after you click here, start a new project. Name is, you can call it a Space Data Part 1 class with me. Okay, so now let's get started with the design. So guys, first I'm just taking a new project because you will be able to understand how it's being done. Okay, so now I'm gonna start a new project and I'm gonna name it Space Data Class 1. Space Data Class 1. Okay, yeah. So now I have created this project. So guys, if you see here, we always have a map of the components. So now we will set the screen. So just click on screen 1 and just check whether what I'm telling is correct in your screen. See guys, the align horizontal should be left and the align vertical should be top. And you can keep your screen scrollable, but you cannot keep it for this one. And guys, now we are gonna start the main design. So I hope you know about the horizontal arrangement because I've done some classes in MidApp Inventor in our YouTube channel. So if you haven't seen them, please see them and then come back to this class because this is about space data. And now I'm going to take a horizontal arrangement. Now what have I done? Let's take left top, and guys remember, height should be 50 pixels, not percent. Okay, so I've taken a horizontal arrangement and I keep it as 50 pixels. Okay, now we keep it as 50 pixels. Okay, so next what you have to do, you have to keep the width fill parent. I've kept my width also fill parent. So now after I've done this, what I have to do now, you have to take a button. Alright, let's take a button. Okay, so what will be the button size? Guys, the button size will be height fill parent, width fill parent. Okay, so now I'm gonna keep the height width parent, width fill parent. Okay, so now what you're gonna do, just click on the button, Ctrl plus C and Ctrl plus V. So in this way, you won't be confused how to add buttons beside. Okay. So if you aren't using a computer, then I'll tell you another way, guys. You don't need to worry at all. Okay. So now what you have to do, you have to take another button and until you get a blue line here and there, you have to wait. Or else you can keep it here and see. You have to keep it like this. You have no other option if you are not using a piece. But this is the best way to copy and paste. Now I'm just gonna copy paste it. And guys, the text should be, I'm not writing down the text, okay? So the first button text will be list of humans in space. I hope you understand, list of humans in space. And the second button name will be info of humans in space. So in this main screen, guys, in the screen 1, what we do is that we add a space background image. guys, the URL is the API, JSON API link. I'll surely keep it in the description box below. So please do check the description box. And guys, now what we're gonna do is that call get name of people from space get. So this is the web. So what you're gonna get it is that, see, you get it here. Call get name of people from space dot get. And now when the get name of people from space. So guys, you know what's get name of people from space? That's the web again. Don't get confused. Okay. So number of people in space dot text. So how many number of people in space are there? We don't know that. So what we have to do is that in the, for example, see guys. Now I'm gonna look up in pairs key, and the key will always be the number, right? And the pair will be that. Yeah. So guys, the pair will be that here. If you see, get name of people from space, JSON text equal JSON text get response content. Response content is of course JSON, right? So you have to always keep this to get the number of people in. And the global list objects, guys, it's pretty easy. The same thing, but the pairs key is people. Okay. So for each chain list, we have to get a global list of objects. So when that happens, what you have to do is that we have to insert a list item get global names, and the index should be 1, guys. And the item will be name, get name of people from space, JSON text decode, JSON text get chain. And guys, the list view elements will of course be global names, right? So after list view one pick. So guys, what we have to do after getting that the names on that, we can also know the information about that particular person. So what we're gonna do is that, so this is the reason why we have added a web view here. Okay? So guys, we're not gonna use it, but this is very useful. Please. So when list view one after pick. So let's go to list view one. Okay. Let's search it. We'll have it here somewhere. Yeah. So when list view one after